Okay, so here we are looking at the lines all put into it. The master lines are all set up, borders are set up, and then we're going to move over here to where I'm using the knife to cut my border in, and then also with the coming across the center with the master lines. So the knife part was pretty easy, and then master lines I went pretty simple with it, just because obviously it's the first time I've done this and I don't want to go too crazy until I'm right on point with it. We're going to switch over to doing the single line here in just a second and running the borders of it and down the master line as well, keeping away from the edges and pulling back from the edges instead of pushing toward them. So you're not going to see the whole process of me running through the whole thing, obviously, because I don't want it to be this big long video. Try to keep it somewhat short for you. So here I am pulling away from the tips once again. Actually started farther away than I thought I was going to, just to make sure. And then drew it back across. The harder thing for me was definitely on some of the rounded beveled areas, was trying to keep this tool correct. I kind of wish I would have had the V-notch wood chisel to pull some of this in, but I was alright with this. It just took a little more time, a little more care around all the edges, but it did turn out pretty decent. We're going to go ahead and transition over to the final product now, and I did run a couple of small lines on it just to get the starter going, and I'm really looking forward to finishing it.